A Macon man pleaded guilty this morning to malice murder and is now sentenced to life in prison. Robert Rollison admitted to killing Middle Georgia State College student Jmaal Keyes back in April 2013. 41 NBC's Taylor Terrell has more from the Pulaski County Courthouse.
How do you plead to the charge of malice murder?
Guilty, Your Honor.
It took less than 30 minutes after former Middle Georgia State College student Robert Rollison walked in, chained, to make his plea and receive a sentence of life in prison. District Attorney Tim Vaughn wants the testimony to provide some relief to heavy hearts.
The effort here was to get an appropriate punishment for him, as well as try to get some details of what actually happened to provide to the Keyes family.
Emotions ran high for both the Keyes and Rollison families. Veronica, Jamaal's mother, hearing specific details for the first time about how her son was killed. Judge Mullis says this circumstance represents 2 lives lost.
I don't think there's any sentence that could have been given that would help us, deal with the situation.
For this family, including Keyes' older brother, Javon, the details are hard to hear.
I think we have to deal with it at this point.
In a written letter to the courts, Rollison recalls April 25th, 2013, the day he murdered Keyes, stating he dismembered and burned Keyes after he stabbed, burned, and dumped him into the Ocmulgee River.
What he told us was that he had viewed people to be computers controlled by someone else, and he woke up that morning and decided to kill somebody, and Jmaal happened to be the unfortunate one that happened to.
Do you have any hard feelings toward the Rollison family?
No, I just trust in God that'll get us through.
In Hawkinsville, Taylor Terrell, 41 NBC News.
The prosecutor adds drugs were involved in this particular case. Though Judge Mullis sentenced Rollison to life in prison, he has a chance of parole after serving 30 years.